problem. Find dy by dx if x equal to sin cube t divided by root cos 2t, y equal to cos 2t divided by root cos 2t. Observe, so x and y are in the parametric form where common parameter of x and y is t. So therefore we have to differentiate x and y with respect to t and put in the dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. So therefore first differentiate x with respect to t, then differentiate y with respect to t. So therefore x equal to sin cube t divided by root cos 2t, differentiate with respect to t. Therefore dx upon dt equal to dy dt of sin cube t is divided by root of cos 2t. So fx upon gx quotient form. So therefore apply the derivative for quotient form. Quotient rule apply. So root of cos 2t dy dt of sin cube t minus sin cube t dy dt of root of cos 2t. This divided by root cos 2t bracket square. Denominator derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator divided by denominator bracket square. This equal to root cos 2t. So it is composite function 3 sin square t. Derivative of sin is cos t minus sin cube t root fx 1 upon 2 root cos 2t. Derivative of cos is minus sin 2t and this into derivative of 2t is 2. This whole divided by. So root and 2 get cancelled here, cos 2t. So 2 also get cancelled here. This equal to take LCM root cos 2t, root cos 2t. This becomes cos 2t into 3 sin square t cos t and minus becomes plus sin cube t sin 2t. This divided by cos 2t and this LCM root cos 2t. This equal to cos 2t sin 2t. Write the cos 2t in terms of sin. So therefore 1 minus 2 sin square t 3 sin square t cos t plus sin t 2 sin t cos t. This divided by cos 2t root cos 2t. This equal to multiply this 3 sin square t cos t minus 6 sin fourth t cos t. 3 sin square t cos t minus 6 sin fourth t cos t plus sin t sin cube and sin t. This becomes sin fourth and this 2 sin fourth t cos t. This divided by cos 2t into root cos 2t. So this equal to, so these two are like terms, sin fourth cos, sin fourth cos, like terms. Therefore minus 6 a fourth b plus 2 a fourth b is equal to minus 4 a fourth b. In that sense 3 sin square t cos t minus 4 sin 4th t cos t. So minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 sin 4th t cos t. This divided by cos 2t root of cos 2t. So this equal to sin square cos. Sin square cos is common. 3 sorry sin 4 sin square t cos t. This equal to 3 minus 4 sin square t. This divided by cos 2t into root cos 2t. So call this is equation 1. Y equal to cos cube t divided by root cos 2t. Similarly, differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Therefore, dy upon dt equal to root cos 2t. Apply quotient rule here also. D by dt of cos cube t minus cos cube t dy dt of root cos 2t. This divided by root cos 2t bracket square. Denominator derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator bracket square. This equal to root cos 2t. It is also composite function. 3 cos square t minus derivative of cos is minus sin t minus cos cube t root fx. It is also composite. 1 upon 2 root cos 2t. This into derivative of cos is minus sin 2t. Derivative of 2t is 2. This divided by, so root and this get cancels, cos 2t. So here 2 get cancels. Take root cos 2t LCM and multiply here. So this becomes cos 2t and 3 cos square t minus sin t minus of minus plus cos cube t into sin 2t. This divided by cos 2t. This equal to, substitute cos 2t in terms of cos 2t. Therefore this becomes minus into bracket cos 2t in terms of cos 2 cos square t minus 1 into 3 cos square t sin t plus cos cube t 2 sin t cos t. This divided by cos 2t. So multiply here. Minus 6 cos 4th minus 6 cos 4th t minus minus plus, sorry, cos 4th t sin t minus minus plus 3 cos square t sin t plus 2 cos 4th t sin t cos 4th t sin t. This whole divided by cos 2t. So here root cos 2t and this LCM cos 2t root cos 2t. So here also 6a square b. So here minus cos 2t and therefore substitute in this one 2 cos square t minus 1 and take the root cos 2t here. So therefore, so these two are like terms. Here. Minus 6a4th b plus 2a4th b minus 4a4th b. So therefore this becomes So I will write here minus 4 cos fourth sin t plus 3 cos square t sin t, this divided by cos 2t root cos 2t. So therefore take cos square t sin t common, cos square t sin t, this into bracket. So I will write first this term 3 minus 4 cos square t, this divided by cos 2t root cos 2t. So call this is equation 2. 1 and 2. dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx upon dt. This equal to dy by dt is cos square t sin t 3 minus 4 cos square t, this divided by sin square t cos t, this into bracket 3 minus 4 sin square t. So cos square t sin t 3 minus 4 cos square t. So this divided by cos 2t root cos 2t. So here also cos 2t root cos 2t. So these two get cancels. So therefore this equal to, here one sin and one cos get cancels here, cos t by sin t, this into bracket 3 minus 4 cos square t, this into bracket 3 minus 4 sin square t. So one cos remains here, cos into 3 minus 4 cos square t, sin into 3 minus 4 sin square t, this equal to, so 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t here, this divided by 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t, this equal to, here in this numerator take minus sign common, minus into bracket 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t, this divided by 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. So this is the formula for cos 3x and this is for sin 3x. Therefore this equal to minus cos 3t divided by sin 3t, this equal to minus cot 3t. So this is the answer.